There, it's gone.
Oh.
Ready? Why are you staring?
Like, what the fuck, dude? Like, you fucking, like, 40. You make us staring. The fuck you looking at?
He's down there.
No, he drove and looped out.
Oh, why are you staring? You're not serious. You went, why are you staring?
Snapple truck me.
You make fucked up.
I just got hit by a Snapple truck.
Who's barking?
Oh.
Who left the
Dogs out.
Okay, I better finish gas. let me pump first. Why are you staring? What did I just...
U.S. oil. Let's see. Oh, that's shit. No, that's not bad, I don't think. Ooh, oops. Ooh, let the dogs out.
No, Meg.
There's what?
Look.
American oil.
Megan. Look.
What's the date?
8th. Look, my magnet. My daddy got it.
I know, your mom, you already showed me. Oh, that makes me want to vomit. What you staring at, mofo?
What are you staring at?
Ah, boom. Near our fire.
I pray your car.
In your house or in your car.
That's that little dog that was barking at us.
Oh, look at my tongue. Oh, my tongue. That's a blue. Fran, I want to go home. It's time to stay out. It's 9:30.
No.
Oh shit, it's purple. I thought it was blue.
No, it's blue.
No, but it's purple. It's pink, but when you put your shit, cause it's like ghetto-ness.
Do I hit the curb?
Not like me.
He's got camels. I thought I hit button.
Me too.
It was blue.
I hate rhythm.
I hate New York. Can you hurry up so I can go?
Oh fuck. Go.
I will.
Go. I'm not blowing.
You got a fucking sports car, but you're going fucking slow. Come on.
It's better than this. Head first, fearless.
What way longer? Straight or turn it? I feel like straight.
Oh fucking no, it'll go flying up back to my house.
Whatever. I'm not fearless.
This summer sucks.
Yeah, it does. Break. Get the fuck out of my mind.
Need anything at Target?
I do. Sunglasses. I still haven't gotten a pair yet.
Including Goo Goo Dolls, they're going to be there
I
on
wanna run
July
this.
22nd. Marissa has her hookup at tickets.
That car wasn't there.
This
I'd run
week
it.
at 4 o'clock on Flat 82.3.
So cute.
Stop! I hear my ringtone. Could have swore I heard. Hey Uncle Sam, put your name. Oof. Nope, I didn't. JK and all around. Yeah, it's okay.
I'm bringing my drink in.
My little thumb.
I'm bringing it if you want. I'm only gonna break it. You wanna record our trip?